What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. Wanted to show you my new step design. I just finished and got it all up and going. Everything. Still got to tighten the handrails down, but it turned out good and they stable. And like I say, man, it's just something different. You know what I mean? So I wanted to create something different. So this is like my little hog-on stair design, and people digging it, man. You know what I mean? They digging the difference, and then it's not real heavy, and it still looks good and modern, and you can paint it different colors. Like this one is gray with the tan wood. So that's what I'm doing, man, at the headquarters. Hog on.